In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Microsoft Teams. Blocking a contact in Teams is a simple but very effective way to stop unwanted messages, calls, or interruptions, while still keeping your main account and work environment intact. This can be especially useful if someone is distracting you, sending spam, or you just need some quiet time to focus without completely leaving a team or channel. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device, and that you're on the main screen where you can see your chats or recent activity. Blocking is done directly from a conversation or contact, so you'll need to locate the person you want to block. Go to the chat section and look for the conversation with the person you want to block. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top and type in their name. Once their chat appears, click to open it so you can see the conversation window. You should now see their name at the top of the chat, along with some icons and a few small options. Next, move your cursor to the person's name or their chat entry. You'll notice there are three small dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. These dots are usually to the right of their name, or they may appear when you hover your mouse over the chat. On mobile, you might see them as an options icon near the top of the screen. Click on the three dots to open the menu. When that menu opens, you'll see a list of actions you can take on that contact or conversation. Look for the option that says block. Go ahead and click on block. Teams will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to block this person, since it will prevent them from messaging or calling you directly. Confirm your choice. Once that's done, the person is blocked. They will no longer be able to start new private chats or calls with you. You might still see older messages in your chat history, but new communication from them will be stopped. If you ever change your mind later, you can return to the same menu, open the options for that contact, and choose to unblock them. And that's all there is to it. By using the three dots and selecting block, you can quickly control who can contact you in Microsoft Teams and create a more focused, distraction-free workspace.